Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create shopping list on Wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, after that click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the shopping lists icon, and here you can manage all your shopping list. Tap the plus button to add the first one. Here you can give a name for your list. Let's say weekend, create list. And here you have to type in the item name and the price. Let's say bread, 1 USD, and so on. And here you can see that this item was added to the shopping list, and you can check the items after you have shopped them, and you can create records. Here you have to give the account, the category, amount, currency. You can add labels and notes, and you can create after that a record. And then in this way you can check that this amount of money was taken from one of your accounts. And after that, if you are done with your shopping list, you can delete it. If you click on that three dots at the top of the screen, click on the delete list, delete, and then you're all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.